Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. Before we get started, make sure you have a pencil and your paper so that you can take notes as you follow along. So today's topic is angles in a triangle. The goal is to find the measure of each angle indicated. So we're trying to find the missing angles measurement. One key theorem that you need to recall is that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. I underlined interior so that I can make sure to point out to you where those angles are located in your triangle. So if this is my triangle, my interior angles are on the inside of the triangle. So 65 degrees, 57 degrees, and the third one that's labeled with your question mark. Those are your interior angles. So in order to find the missing angle, which is labeled by your question mark, you're going to need to add the 65 and the 57 together. So I would suggest also that you just go ahead and label the missing angle as X. I'm going to move this up a little. So if I write this, I'll have 65 plus 57 plus X will equal 180 degrees. So, as you can see and should be familiar with, is that once you set all of your angles up and use the theorem which says they should be equal to 180, you end up with an equation. See my equal sign? It just means I have a linear equation now, and now you can combine your terms and solve for X. So my like terms here are going to be 65 plus 57, and that simplifies to 122. I'm going to bring down my plus X, my equal sign, and my 180, and then I want to isolate the X. I want to get X by itself, so my last step is subtracting 122 from both sides of the equal sign. Those cancel. I can bring down my X, and I need to simplify 180 minus 122, and that simplifies to 58. So the measurement of my missing angle, which we labeled as X, is 58 degrees. All right. Let's try number 2. Applying the same theorem just to make sure we understand. All right, so my question mark here, I'm going to label it as X. In this case, you also need to be familiar with what this symbol means. This square symbol, that is your indication that you have a right angle, and its value is 90 degrees. So now that you've reminded yourself of that, you can rewrite your equation and find that missing value for X. So I'm going to have 40 plus 90 plus X, and all three of those angles must equal 180. Again, as you can see now, you set up an equation and you can combine your like terms and solve for X. 90 plus 40 are my like terms, and 90 plus 40 simplifies to 130. Bring everything else down. And now I need to get x by itself by doing the inverse of positive 130, which is going to be minus 130 from both sides of the equal sign. 130 minus 130 is 0, or we just say that it cancels. Bring down my x, and that's going to equal 180 minus 130 simplifies to 50. So the measurement of my missing angle is 50 degrees. So I have 50 here, remembering that's 90. And then if you want to check your answer again, you can just go back and add all three of your angle measurements to confirm that they equal 180. And 90 plus 90 does equal 180. So that confirms that my answer is correct. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions on finding the missing measurements of angles in a triangle, leave your questions below this video. Don't forget to turn your notification on, to like this video, and most importantly, to share and subscribe to Math with Marilyn. Thanks. Till next time.